So, what do you think Viv did differently than Siri? And then again, what are you most proud of from that experience with Viv Labs and Samsung?
So as I left Apple, it was one of the hardest things to do in my career because I had a team I loved. Siri was exploding. The movie Her was being made. People were loving it. But I had a big vision and for various reasons didn't feel I could pursue that vision at Apple. So I left. I walked away from millions of dollars, a team I loved, and a vision that was starting. Took some time off and I said, you know what? I don't need Apple. I'm going to try again. I'm going to finish the story. So I am going to design and build a voice assistant that is truly scalable for both developers and consumers. And that does not exist today. You would say, oh, but Amazon Alexa has 100,000 skills as an open third party developer system. And I'd say, yeah, it is scalable to developers. It's super easy to build an Amazon Alexa skill. It is not scalable to consumers. It hasn't been designed to scale. So with Viv in 2012, I said, I know what the next thing to do for voice assistants is. It's to open it up. Just like the iPhone came with 10 apps and it changed the world, it would not have been a major force if they had not opened the App Store. That's what's needed. And so with Viv, what we did was we constructed a system that the AI wrote its own code on the fly for every deployed use case. It was a hugely ambitious thing. Imagine an internet scale kind of Google that on every query, a program was written at that moment on the fly for that user, combining the services that that particular user has and knows and trusts and weaving them together into an automated flow to help accomplish a task. So we built it, a platform that could write its own code. We deployed something called the Bixby Developer Studio. Your users can find it at bixbydevelopers.com. And it is the most rich and advanced developer environment available for a third-party voice assistant market. I mean, there's nothing like it, for good or for bad. So we launched that. We had about 1,000 or so developers built for it. We presented at voice conferences, and I think everyone said, I've never heard of Bixby, but oh my God, this is so different than what a Google, than Amazon Alexa, than what anyone is offering in the voice developer space. It's a whole different approach. And for that, I'm very, very proud. If we talk about the future of voice and what it should be, I think there are more technical ideas in Bixby and Bixby Developer Studio that you can download and play with and try today that will be part of what assistance should be like in the future. And I think we moved the needle forward technically in certain ways, and I'm proud of that.